is Ed Thompson, and I'd like to show you how Evidentia helps you organize your research. We start by identifying a source. We identify a source by giving the source a title and creating a citation, and that allows Evidentia to build a list of our sources. Next, we choose a source and catalog the information that we are interested in. We call this information a claim. This allows Evidentia to build a list of valuable information for each source. Lists are fine, but to turn a list into a catalog, we need tags. We start with the claim, and we tag it with the claim type and a subject. When we are done, we have turned our information into evidence. Evidentia has taken us from source to information to evidence. Organizing our sources into evidence is not all Evidentia lets us do. See how Evidentia helps us analyze our evidence in our next video.